welcome back to Raunix. This is Vedurma from Raunixtech services, and today we are going to discuss about our second video of our flutter course. Okay, if you have not watched our first video, then you can go our YouTube channel, you can go to videos and you can find our video here. Okay, now in this video we will discuss about the second part of the application, that is splash screen. Okay, so let's start the video. I will do everything from sketch. Okay, so firstly I will open a terminal, go to Visual Code Studio, and here I will go to open a folder, desktop. Okay, and here I will go to open a terminal and give a command to create a flutter application. With the command flutter create, and project name will be my first app. It will take few second time to create an application, and here you can see application is created. Okay, so go to desktop. Here is the folder, you can see, and here is all the subfolder like for Android, iOS, Linux, Mac OS and all others. Okay, so I am going to open this folder in Visual Code Studio. Okay, and we are going to run the application in simulator. So let's open a simulator as well. As always, I am going to use iPhone 14 Plus for the simulation. From here you can see we have already explained all these things in the past video. If you have not watched that, then you can go to that video and you can got an idea about all these things. Okay, so firstly let's go for the lib folder, and from main dart you can run the application. So I am going to run this application. It can take few second time to launch the application in our simulator. So let's wait for some time. So here you can see our application is simulated successfully in our simulator. So if you want to reload the application, then it will reload from the same page. In the past video we have discussed that we don't want to open the home page directly. We want to open our splash screen first, then after few seconds we want to redirect it to home page. Okay, so we are going to do that feature in this video. Okay, so firstly go to code file. From here you can see the main.dart. Okay, so firstly I am going to make a subfolder with the name of screens, and in that folder I am going to make a new folder with the name of home page, and the another subfolder will be with the name of splash. Okay, now I am going to create a file in the splash folder with the name splash.dart, and same thing I am going to do with home.dart. So I have created two files, one in home folder and second one is splash folder. So firstly go to splash.dart. Okay, let's open it here. To increase the size, close all these. Okay. Now here I am going to import with the package material dot this one. Okay, now I am going to make a widget for stateful widget. I'm going to name for this one splash. Save. So we have created a page with the name of splash, and we can make all the functions here. So firstly I want to create a splash screen and the layout of that particular screen. Okay, so here is our widget. I'm going to use this widget with the container. Let's remove the container and go to scaffold. You can also use the container, but container provide less features as compared to scaffold, so I'm going to use scaffold here. I will explain why I'm not going to use this container here in the next part. Okay, so here I'm going to use body with the centralized feature, and now I'm going to use child and row. Okay, so in the row I'm going to use children. In the children I'm going to use text file, and text data will be my first tab. You can write anything here. Okay, to avoid all the blue lines you can add a constant here. We are using all the things are constant way, so we can add a constant to remove all the blue lines from here. Okay, so let's save this and reload the application. When we are going to reload the application, then our application will be reloaded with the same page. It's not going to splash page. So what we need to do, we need to go to home page, sorry, main.dart page, and from here we need to make the changes. I'm going to make it comment. I'm going to copy the same line. Now here you can see I'm going to give a name for this splash and remove all these things like this and save it. Now you can see our page is changed, and here you can see our splash screen is open with the name my first tab. So let's customize it according to our requirement. I will make some changes, like I want to make a max alignment with the center feature. Okay, I want to go with the centralized, and here you can see our text is in center right now. Let's apply some style here as well, and text style. Now go to add some color, colors dot black, and add some font as well. If you want to add some font size something like 28. If you want to add a font width as well, then you can do it from here, like bold. I'm going to use this one. Okay, all things are done, then save it. When you save it, it will increase the font weight and the font color here. So if you want to change the background color of the splash, then you can do it from here. You can go to scaffold and give a property of background color, and give a color function here as well, color dot black. Suppose you want to give a black color here like this, and you can see our splash screen got black, but the text is also black, so we are unable to see the text. So you can change the color of the text from here. You can go to white like this, and you can see the screen now. If you want to give any another color to the splash background, you can do it from here like this. Suppose I want to give this one, and save. Here you can see this is how you can give. But if you see, when we reload the application, it's not going forward with on another page. Okay, it's stuck on the first page, that is splash. Okay, what we want, when our application open, the splash screen comes only for 1 second, 2 seconds or 3 seconds. After that the main page should open. Okay, so we are going to make that function as well. So firstly we will create a function here. We will define in a state here, and give a function navigate home. Okay, so we have defined a function here. Now let's define the feature of that function, navigate home. Here we have defined the function. Now synchronize that function with the feature. We want that when this page load, after few second time, it will automatically redirect you to home page. So we want to make a feature for time waste. So I am going to apply await property and future delay here, future delay here, and duration I am going to apply it with the duration, and duration will be millisecond something and 1500. Okay, apply a semicolon and save it. As we are going all the value as constant, so you can apply a constant parameter to avoid the blue line. Like this you can apply a constant. Here you can see now blue line is removed. Okay, save it, and after that we want to navigate our page, so use navigator here, and then use push replacement here. Then at new root we are going to use material page root like this, and at the builder use content, and this content must be in brackets. Then use that property to navigate the folder, my home page, like this. Okay, put this one this side, and it's depend on a title, so you need to give a title like this, home page and semicolon. Here you can see there is one more error, so we can remove this, like edge cast. Now error has been removed. You also need to remove this one. Okay, as we are not using dart property in the complete code, so we don't need to import that, and save it. So according to the function, our application must be redirected to that particular path here. Okay, so what I am going to do, I am going to create a home page right now. Okay, so let's go to home page from here. Here is your home page, and I am going to copy the complete code from here. From the main.dart, I am going to copy that complete code and going to paste it in home page like this, and import all the required libraries. Like this you can do. Okay, and save it. When you save it, return back to the splash page, and here you need to import this page as well. So you can import this page from here like this. So we have imported that page. Now save the main.dart. So now reload the application, and here you can see after a few second time our application got redirected to home page. Let's again reload the application. It's taking very short time, so what we can do, we can close the application completely and we can run the application again. It will take very short time to reload the application again. So here you can see the application is loaded and it's taking very short time. So you can change the time from the splash page. Here we have applied the millisecond. You can do it, I have applied for microsecond. So you can do it for millisecond like this, and save the page and reload it. Now you can see it's taking some time. Okay. So that's it for this video. In the next video we will change the splash screen with the image and we will add some customizations as well, like video on the splash, images on the splash, and all other things in the upcoming videos. So if you like our content, if you like the video, then subscribe our channel, and we will see you in next video. Thank you.